So, good evening. This is Samundeshwari from the Department of English, SNS College of Technology. In this April month lecture video series, we are going to see the topic cause and effect in communicative English. So, first of all, what is known as cause and what is known as effect? So, we'll go for a definition first of all. So a cause can be defined as something makes to happen. Similarly, you can tell that effect will be the outcome of the cause. So this will be the key definition to understand this topic. So based on this alone, we are going to see the detailed part of this topic in upcoming slides and all. So, as I told you earlier, a cause creates an effect. Similar way, an effect is the outcome of the cause. So, just look at the images in the slide. The reason why something happened is known as cause. Similar way, the result, that is what happened because of that cause. So, while connecting the picture, a girl is watering the plant regularly. So, this leads for the blooming flowers from that tree or plant obviously. So therefore we can define a cause creates something to happen. Similarly, an effect will be the outcome of the cause. So next we are going to see what are all the expressions can be used to show the connection between a two sentence by using these cause and effect expressions. So you can use words such as, since, because of, as a result, therefore, then so, thus, due to, hence, and also these are all the words can be used to connect two sentences. So actually you can have two separate sentences and they might ask you to connect the sentences by using the suitable expressions. And also I can give you additional clue to what kind of a word should we use in that exact place in the sense. You can use only since and as in the beginning of a sentence. Similarly, words such as consequently, hence, due to, therefore, so can be used in the middle of a sentence, and especially you have to tell the cause first and later on you can use these expressions, then you can complete it by saying the effect. Suppose in such cases, if you are using the effect part in the front place in the sense, by the time you can able to use the word because or because of. So we'll see these things detailed in the next slide. So look at the example here. I worked really hard in school, so I graduated. In this sentence, we have two separate sentences, and the first sentence means that a person works really hard in his high school, so because of that he got graduated. So if suppose if a sentence we change the pattern, I graduated because I worked really hard in school, or else if you go with the flow in the sense, I worked really hard in school, so I graduated. So in this topic alone, you can use n number of answers by using the particular expressions, and there is no need to use the same expressions or else more than one expressions for a single sentence. Once you are using one expressions to make a sentence a single one, you can stop with the same. So for this I have written another answer also. Since, as I told you, it can be used only in the beginning of a sentence. I worked really hard in school, I graduated. And similar way, I worked really hard in school. As a result, I graduated. So like this, we have more number of exercise. Here we have a sentence. It was raining. There was a rainbow. So there was a rainbow because it was raining, or else you can go with it, since it was raining, there was a rainbow. Or else you could say there was a rain. It was raining, so there was a rainbow. Similar way you can construct a sentence. And here we have a matching for column A and column B, which denotes which is cause and which is effect. So you have to identify the right cause and that should be matched with the effect of it. So we'll just go through the given sentence actually. The car ran a red light. Dash Ben stayed up late. Dash the students were quiet in class. It rained. Lydia skipped breakfast. And it was very hot outside. So we'll try to solve few examples. So we'll go with the teacher gave them a reward because the students were quiet in a class. So the students were quiet in class, so the teacher gave them a reward. Lydia skipped breakfast, so we can use since she was hungry at lunch. So it was very hot outside. Then you can go with the horses were, so the horses were thirsty. So likewise you have to identify the right cause and with the support of that cause what kind of effects made out of it. So next we are going to see another example. The child is hungry, so the child wants to eat an apple. If you want to use a because, what will you say? The child wants to eat an apple because the child is hungry. So in this case, you can construct more number of cause and effect expressions. And here also we have another example. The sun was hot, my ice cream melted. Since the sun was hot, my ice cream melted. My ice cream melted because the sun was hot. So like this you can construct a sentence. And also people can able to make a sentence by using the cause and effect expressions by their own. So some cases they might ask you to write a sentence of your own. So to make this point very clear, I have come up with the exercise part. So here you are going to do what is the cause of this sentence and what will be the effect of it. So we'll try to solve few exercise. Because it started raining, we had to go inside at recess, and I love watching X-Men because she will be is so funny, and we had to get a new TV because ours was not high definition. So from all the given sentences you can identify first of all what is the cause and what will be the effect. So if you identify these two things clearly in the sense, this thing will help you to write a sentence of your own. So I ate so much candy that I felt sick to my stomach. So what will be the effect here? I ate so much candy, therefore I felt sick to my stomach. The dog was hungry, so I fed him 2 bowls of dog food. I wanted to be the best dressed person at the party cause, so I bought some new clothes. So hope you have understand what is known as cause and what will be called as the effect part and all. So just remember that cause and effect can be connected by using the suitable cause and effect expressions alone. If you want to construct a sentence of your own, do check it out with the meaning of the sentence and make your sentence of your own. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.